Most people are thinking of starting their own online business at some point, and of all the options you have, starting an Amazon FBA business is one of the best options you can go to. This is because the potential for profit is enormous and can be easily expanded once established. The idea of selling a product on Amazon and starting your own business may sound exciting, but the process may seem daunting to many beginners. However, once disassembled, it's not as difficult as you might think. If you follow the right steps and invest over time, you can make your business successful on Amazon. You may be able to quit your 95-day job and work full time at home. This gives you plenty of flexibility. If you're thinking about how to start an Amazon business, you're in the right place. We have created this complete guide to give you the best direction and support you on your journey. Introduction. Before you start selling your product on Amazon, there are some first steps you need to take to maximize your chances of success. By doing your research and laying the groundwork early on, you'll make it a lot easier for yourself once you reach the later steps. Set a budget. Like most businesses, you'll need some capital to get started. If you don't have a lot of money to spare, you can still become an Amazon seller, but it will impact what strategies you can use to build your business. Look at your current finances and decide how much money you can reasonably invest in your business. When setting your budget, make sure to factor in all the expenses you will be paying. These include the cost of purchasing inventory, shipping costs, the monthly fees for your Amazon professional seller account, and the cost of any ads you may want to run to promote your products. Determine your capabilities. Before getting started, you need to think about how much time you have to devote to your new business and what resources you have at your disposal. Are you going to be able to work on your business every day? Do you have any resources, supplies, or infrastructure in place to ship products to customers, or will you need assistance with this? Consider these questions as you review the different Amazon business models so you can choose the approach that's right for you. Incorporate a corporation or LLC. You may be wondering if you need a document or a business license that you need to sell on Amazon. You don't need such a thing, but it's a good idea to start your own company or GmbH. This greatly simplifies bookkeeping during the tax period. Select a product to sell. The fun begins here. It's time to decide exactly what kind of product you want to sell. With so many options available to you, this may seem overwhelming at first. Amazon sells practically everything, including books, beauty products, shaving kits, and jewelry. So, how do you know what items to pick for your business? Luckily, we have a few tips and a couple of helpful tools that will make the process a lot easier for you. Pick products priced between $15,100. Anytime you sell a product on Amazon's website, they'll take a commission. Therefore, you need to make sure that the price of the product is too low to cover those costs. And while the idea of selling expensive items may seem appealing, it usually doesn't really work because it doesn't sell as well as cheap items. For this reason, we recommend selling products with prices between $15 and $100. Choose a small and light product when buying inventory. Keep in mind that you need to ship the inventory. This can be especially expensive if you want to import items from China or India. For this reason, it is advisable to choose small and light items as they are cheaper to ship. Use the AMZ Scout product database to get product ideas. You can find product ideas on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify e-commerce sites, blogs, and farmers markets, but finding products that match your parameters can take a long time. However, there is an easier way. Apply the above tips and log into your AMZ Scout account to start searching for products. This tool has 44 filters that you can use to search the entire Amazon product database. You can search for items based on sales, rank, reviews, category, size, weight, and more. This is an easy way to quickly narrow your search to products that meet your stringent requirements. From there, you can see the results and select the article you are most interested in. Analyze product and niche profitability with AMZ Scout Pro extensions. Developing a successful business depends on your ability to provide the products that people actually want to buy. This next tool can help with that. Once you have selected some product ideas, use the AMZ Scout Pro extension to analyze them. This tells you the profitability of a particular product or niche and whether it's really worth the sale. Go to Amazon.com and enter your product in the search bar. When you are satisfied with the results, click on the AMZ Scout logo in the upper right corner of your browser to open the Pro extension. Get information about product sales, ranks, ratings, and historical trends. You can also click on Niche Score for more information on profitability, demand, and level of competition. Or you can click on product score to get advice on specific products. Scores of 7 or more mean a niche or product should be profitable. You can try both the product database and Pro extension for free. So test them out to see if they can help you find profitable products for your business. Sourcing your products. Once you've decided what you're going to sell, you need to figure out a strategy for sourcing your products. There are a number of different ways to do this, each with their pros and cons. Retail arbitrage. This is to buy a product from a local retailer for resale on Amazon. There are apps that are underrated and can help you find products that you can resell in your favor on the platform. This is a good strategy for those who are short of cash, but it is very time consuming and it is difficult to consistently find products that may be resold. Wholesalers and distributors buy products in bulk from manufacturers and sell them to businesses. You can buy items much cheaper than retail, but keep in mind that wholesalers usually have a large minimum order quantity, so you have to pay a lot of money in advance. Manufacturer. You can also purchase the product directly from the manufacturer. Alibaba is the best place to find a manufacturer to procure your product. You can get the cheapest price by trading directly from the manufacturer, but like a wholesaler, you have to buy in bulk and it can be costly. Fulfilling your order. An important part of Amazon business is the fulfillment of orders. Once you sell a product, you need a delivery strategy to deliver it to your customers. Here are three options for you to choose from. Fulfilled by merchant. Amazon's Fulfilled by Merchant program is exactly as it sounds. If you go for this option, you need to create your own packages and courier all of your items to your customers. While this is the cheapest option, it's also the most time consuming and can be difficult for a one-person operation. Dropshipping. Another option is to partner with a dropshipping company. These are suppliers or wholesalers that will dropship your items to your customers for you. Instead of purchasing inventory in bulk, the company holds your inventory for you and ships your items to your customers when they're sold. Keep in mind that traditional dropshipping isn't technically allowed on Amazon, so make sure you understand the rules before exploring this method. Fulfilled by Amazon. With Amazon's FBA program, you'll ship all of your inventory to Amazon and they'll fulfill your orders for you. This is a great option for individuals who don't have the resources to ship a lot of items themselves. Just keep in mind that Amazon charges a fee for this service, so make sure to include that in your budget. For most Amazon sellers, especially those working by themselves, the FBA program is likely the best choice. It's by far the easiest way to deliver products to your customers. Growing your business. Once your business is up and running, you'll likely be looking for ways to grow and scale it so you can start increasing your earnings. Here are a couple of strategies you can use. Add more products. The best Amazon sellers don't just sell one product, they sell a number of different items. So, once you have one winning product, start looking for more. Adding new items to your inventory is the best way to increase your personal income and roll those money. Private label products. These are self-made and branded products. You can create your own version of an existing product or develop your own product. No one can copy you because you can even brand these products. Building your own brand or product means less competition, and if you come up with something new that everyone wants, you can generate a lot of sales. If you want to sell clothing and t-shirts, consider using Merch by Amazon to create your own unique designs and sell them on the platform. Is starting an Amazon business worth it? So, is an Amazon business really worth it? In the end, it will be up to you to decide whether this type of venture is right for you.